Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can reactivate your Instagram account, right? So let's say you deactivated your Instagram account and you want to reactivate it. Well, it's actually pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first step to reactivate your Instagram account, you just have to log in into your account. It's pretty simple. So where it says phone number, username or email, you can enter your phone number or your email or your username. And where it says passport, enter the password of your account and click on login. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now after you write your login details, just click on login and basically wait for some time and it's going to show you this. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. Now why it's showing me this is because it's just been like 5 minutes I just deactivated my account. So you need to wait for at least 2 hours, or for some cases you need to wait for at least 1 day in order to reactivate your account. Alright, so if you just deactivated your account and you want to reactivate it again, it's not gonna happen instantly. You need to wait for at least 1 day or 2 hours. Alright, and try to reactivate your account. It should work. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can reactivate your account. In my case, I was not able to because it hasn't been 2 hours yet. So just come over here, enter your login detail, click on login and your account will be reactivated. It's that simple. Just log into your account. It's reactivating your account. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.